Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to carry on with the articles a and an. When do we use a? When do we use an? What is the a? What is the an? A for a consonant. So if it starts with a C, if it starts with a D, if it starts with a P, if it starts with a T, T for teacher. Okay, we use A. So basically anything, any letter that's not a vowel. Anything but a vowel. And then an is for vowels. You can't have a or o. An vowel. An vowel. Remember, an is for a vowel. An vowel. Very good. An vowel. The N vowel. So if the word starts with a vowel, you have to put an. Please, please, please remember, it's a common mistake. And A is for the rest of the letters. It's just so good and easy. Right, so we've got doctor. A doctor. Of course, a doctor. Of course, because it's D for doctor. You know what a doctor is. See if you're all okay, if your heart's okay and everything. A police officer. A police officer. Not an police officer. But here we go, look, an actor. A. You can't have A and A together. It's not a. It's an actor. An actor. An actor. A teacher, the best one. A teacher. A lawyer. The posh ones that get down to serious business. An accountant, the ones that look after all the money. An accountant with an again, look. No, a. An engineer, because it's a vowel. A vowel. Vowel an. Vowel an. Vowel an. An vowel. Vowel an. An vowel. Remember it, please. And last but not least, you guys, you're great. A student. I hope you understand now when we use a, when we use an. See you next time.